welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi, and right now you see me polishing some nails. We're just doing a nice pink nail on 3 of these, and the other 2 are going to be a light blue nail. And then there's also going to be kind of a minty green nail, and you'll see that coming up right now, I think. This is just going to be a quick, fast mini manicure. We're going to call it a mid-week mini, and it's going to be a cute little camo and bling set. So what we're doing now is going in with some of that blue polish that we had from the other nail, and we're just making some splotches, some little Rorschach ink blot tests or something. And honestly, when you're doing this particular look, it's not going to start looking good until you add that 3rd color. So just go with it. Make the splotches that look cute to you. Don't worry about it. Just have a wonderful time. Because honestly, this manicure is super fun. I really enjoyed doing it. It wasn't very hard. It doesn't take a ton of time. And so you could knock this out pretty quickly. Now we're going in with a little bit of a darker teal color as the other color that we're adding to the set. There's not going to be a nail in this color. It's just part of the camo, but it's the 2nd color of our camo. And then we'll come in just a minute with that minty green, which, I don't know, that might be my favorite color of this set. I think it's so pretty. And here we go, just adding some more. And as you can see, once you get that 3rd color on there, it really does start to look like camo. So just flow with it and have a really good time, because that's really what nail art is supposed to be about, right? So while I was out walking my dog, I thought the name Midweek Mini came to me while I was out there, because I was thinking about how the video is pretty short today. And that was kind of on purpose, because like the last couple sets were a little intensive, and I just wanted to take it back a notch for today. And I thought maybe you guys could use a little shorty as well. So the name came to me while I was out walking around, and I thought, oh, Midweek Mini, because it's Wednesday, right? So what do you think about that as maybe a little series that we do together? Let me know what you think about that. This nail is going to have some bling. Now the thumbnail has a ton of bling, and I did not make you watch me do that, because that is the only part of this set that actually took a lot of time. But seeing me place 30 gemstones is probably not the way that you want to spend your evening. So, and honestly, I didn't count them, but I'm just guesstimating there's probably like 30 on there. But you'll see it. It's not a very elaborate design or anything. It's just half the nail is blinged out in a diagonal. And you'll see that when we finish up here in just a second. So let me know what you think of this set in the comment section, because I really think it's super cute. I think the pastel camo is a different take on camo. I absolutely love that there's a little bling with it, because that makes it more girl. It's a girly set while adding a not so girly element. So thank you guys so much for watching. Pause that and count those. You let me know how many there are. Maybe not quite 30, maybe 20. I don't know. There's a ton. Thanks a lot, guys, again, for coming by and checking out this midweek mini, and we will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.